Hey credit cousins, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another banger video. So today I want to share with you some quick tips on how to get approved for that apartment with bad credit. There are tips you should know before even seeking apartment with bad credit. You must have a strategy when shopping for your choice of residence. So I'm here to let you know some of the tips that I think that could be helpful for you if you are in the market of shopping for an apartment with little to no credit or bad credit. So first, when looking at apartments, you want to keep in mind most apartments use a third-party company that screens tenants of their rental and credit history. Usually the third-party company acts as a decision whether you are approved or not with a score that will basically tell that information. They're usually looking for any evictions and any negative items that are less than 6 months old. If you have bad credit due to the fact of no credit, you can try to apply for an apartment that uses a third party, but the best bet is to have additional supporting details like your income requirement or a letter from previous tenants with your rental history and with a good judgment letter. So number one, always ask the property manager and leasing agent what credit bureau do they pull from. Some may know and or they will mention the third party company name. You can always pull your rental credit report from that company before applying to learn about your score. Now, even though you may ask this question and some leasing agents may look at you funny, like why would you want to know that question? But when you ask this question, this is important. This is your credit and you want to know which credit bureau will take that hard hit when applying to live in their building. Sometimes they pull from all 3 credit bureaus and you may not want to reside there for that particular reason. Number 2, I would recommend not to ask your parents to co-sign for your apartment. Instead, ask them to put you on one of their high credit cards or a credit card that they don't use but is very old as an authorized user. You may have to wait an additional 20 to 30 days for it to reflect on your credit report, and then you can try to apply for that apartment, but you can start now if you have a score less than 620. Number 3, if you have collection debt that is 6 months or less, you will need to get that removed first, or some apartments will require you to pay a double deposit. But for those who don't give up and try to do this instead. If you know which credit bureau is reporting the collection that is less than 6 months old and it's only reporting to 1 or 2 credit bureaus but not all 3, then you will need to find an apartment that pulls from the credit bureau that does not have the recent collection or charge off. This will basically require you of calling around and visiting some apartments in your area that sparks your interest and asking them what credit bureau do they pull from. Number 4, you can actually pull your own rental credit history before you apply. So I'm here to give you some of the websites that you can do once a year. Leasingdesk.com, CICreports.com, and SafeRentSolutions.com, just to name a few, but there are several more and I will leave a list down below in the description so that you can learn more about it. So basically you can request your consumer report regarding your housing and rental history to learn what may appear on your report before applying. If there is inaccurate information, you can dispute it with that company. I highly recommend always asking the leasing agent or the person that is in charge of running your credit for an application. Ask them, if a future resident does not pass the tenant screening part, will you consider a double deposit? If they say no, then simply do not apply for that apartment. You will waste your time and their time as well. You must have at least a 620 credit score with a lot of the third-party tenant screening companies and no recent collections or charge-offs within 6 months. So keep in mind, I highly recommend do not apply for more than 1 apartment at once. This will bring your score down so quickly and you will do more more harm than good with so many hard inquiries on your credit report while shopping. Remember to ask all questions during your first visit or during your phone call. Many may say if you apply now, we will offer you 2 months free, or this will be our last apartment and it's going fast. Still, I highly recommend that you do not rush into anything that you can't fully seek out of. You will be upset about the outcome, and 9 times out of 10 out of an application fee if it's not refundable. So in a worst case scenario, if your questions cannot be asked, simply move on to another apartment. So credit cousins, make sure you leave a like on this video, and that will basically tell me that you are picking up what I'm putting down. And let me know in the comments, are you thinking about applying for an apartment anytime soon? Will you try some of these tips and try to get a better chance of approvals? Make sure to comment down below if you tried these tips already and you are comfortable with sharing so other credit cousins can learn more about it. Remember, this channel is all about learning from each other, and I look forward to your feedback. And don't forget guys, I love you all. Bye. Hey, if you made it to the end of this video, I'm here to let you know that today will be the last day that the Instant Hard Inquiry Removal Guide will be for sale. So if you haven't got it, please make sure you click the link down in the description below to learn how you can remove your hard inquiries in as little as 24 hours. Yes, 24 hours you can remove your inquiries. So click the link down below in the description box to learn how you can remove your late payments, hard inquiries, collections, charge-offs, and so much more. You don't want to miss out. Are you looking to build your business credit like a boss? Well, you're in luck. I've created this awesome ebook where you can learn how to build business credit and get over $500,000 in business funding. It's on sale right now, $40 on sale. Original price is $125. I am giving you guys this at a highly discounted price, but only 100 copies will be sold at this price. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comments. You are already a boss, so why not get that business credit like a boss?